What if I just close my eyes? I'm really tired. And that's not to say that you aren't either. Just, you know, I've got the new projects, and I've got to take care of the old house and Betsy, and Do you remember the old house? I remember that after school you'd come over to play, and I remember how much my grandmother loved having you around. We practically grew up there together. It felt like the closer and closer that we got, it just really began to feel like home. I shouldn't have let you go. I keep seeing you everywhere in that damn house. I'm gonna fucking burn it. I just need to close my eyes. I'm gonna close my eyes and everything will be fine, and I won't have to feel sorry for letting you go. I really am so sorry for letting you go. It's starting to rain. I think it's best I go. I didn't want my last thoughts to be of you.